Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to edit a couple photo using Lightroom Mobile. I'll use my free preset to edit the photo, and you will see that the presets can be used in any photos. And make sure to watch until the end, where I'll be giving you a free presets that you can download and use to edit your photos. Let's start it! So, how's the presets? If you want to try the presets, just go to the description of this video where you will find the link to download the presets. I've also made a video how to install Lightroom Mobile presets that you can check in the description link. That's it guys, I hope that you found it helpful. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more content related to photography. Thank you and see you on the next video.